So hey folks, in this video I will be sharing with you few links of the resources that you can use in your journey of becoming an UI designer, and I'm very much sure that these links will add a high value in you and your knowledge about the UX designer. So let's quickly deep dive into these links. So these links vary from learning the basics of the UX design and going to an advanced level. So the first link is interactiondesign.org. So this link is basically from father of UIX designer Don Norman, and in this website mostly all of the things are covered from typography, color psychology to each and every. You can log into this website or you can directly go on that blog part and you can read about the different things in the UX designer, be it design thinking, creating persona, typography, a bad design or a good design. You can also read a lot about the user research and user interface. So this is a website from where you can learn about the UX design. The second website that I'm going to tell you is about, so whenever you create a design for your next project or maybe any project that you're going to work on, you first take an inspiration from what is already going on in the world, from how the others have designed it. So the first website is that I have also told once is mobbing.com. So in mobbing.com, a lot of other designers have created their designs and they have posted on this website. So you can just like select the platform as well, whether you want to see for iOS, if you want to see for the Android, or you want to see for the web, and you can explore the different design inspiration from this particular website. Another that you should definitely look into is m3.material.io. So what is this? So this is basically an open source design system by Google. So this website basically contains all the design kit that you are seeing on the internet, maybe on the Google, and you just need to explore about it. You can just go on the foundation and you can see each and everything. This particular website talks about the accessibility, content design, design tokens, customizing the material, interaction states, layout, and like you can read a lot about the UI design and as well as about the design. So whenever you are free, just look into this website, read about it, and it's going to take 2 3 months, maybe 6 months to get through all of this knowledge. But the more time you spend on this, the more you will get good at it. The another website is for learning about the UX laws. So UX is user experience law. So here's a website called the laws of the UX, and you can read a lot about the articles. You can see the psychology of the design. Once you click on this particular, we'll get through a blog where you can read about it. So here it talks about the key principle, Hicks law, cognitive load, Hicks law examples they have also given. So this is the one website that you should definitely look into for learning about the UX laws. The another website that I'm going to tell you is about, if you are someone who is into mobile design, so you should definitely look into learnmobile.design. So here they have given a very good, we can say, a documentation of each and everything, human interface guidelines, material design guidelines that you can look into, a good reads about on building a fluid user interface, pixel density, and go through these websites and read about it, read the content, make your notes, document the notes, and try to implement these things in your projects. The another website is a design system website which has curated all the design system of all the good products that you are seeing on the internet right now. A design system for figma.com. Once you get onto this website, you have the design system of all the big products right now, AWS, AWI kit, and you can look into this carbon design system. If I click on here, you can see it's figma kit. Once you click on it, so here's the design system for the IBM. Like if I click on here, open in Figma, so they have mentioned their design system in such a detailed way. If I click on the effects, you can see there's a whole document kind of a thing, what they have used, and the border, the XYZ axis, everything they have mentioned it. So whenever you are free, just look into this. You'll get a lot knowledge about how to build a good design system. The another website that I'm going to tell is that for the case studies. So you might have heard from a lot of people to read about the case studies. So there's a website that is growth.design, and they have curated, or you can say like they have given us such a great knowledge about the case studies in a very, very interactive way. So if I click on this Grammarly, so it's a comic type of a thing. You just read about it. You also get to know like how much you have completed, how much you have read about it, and to like how to. So this is also one website that you should definitely look into for your UIX designing. And I'm very much sure that these links will help you to get a much more deeper knowledge about UIX design.